Mercedes-Benz. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLS class dons a new mug as part of a mid-cycle refresh. Most updates also apply to the AMG GLS 63 and Maybach GLS 600, with all three variants adding new exterior and interior features. The Benz-branded GLS 450 and GLS 580 see their engine output rise to 375 and 510 horsepower, respectively. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLS class looks a little different than the previous model year. The large luxury SUV also adds some fresh features inside and out. It's all part of a mid-cycle refresh that should keep the biggest Benz competitive with alternatives such as the BMW X7 and the Land Rover Range Rover, both of which have recently been revamped. The Mercedes GLS family includes myriad models. There's the Benz-branded GLS 450 and GLS 580. There's also the high-performance Mercedes-AMG GLS 63 and the ultra-luxurious Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. All of them receive mildly revised styling, with the Benz model's larger grille being the most notable. All 2024 models add a pair of revised taillights with 3 distinct blocks. There are also new paint colors, Twilight Blue Metallic and Manufacture Alpine Gray, and the GLS 63 and GLS 600 both are now available with forged 23-inch wheels. The GLS 63, in particular, now has red-painted brake calipers. Now let's move to interior updates. Inside, Mercedes supplies customers with new leather options, from Catalana beige and Bahia brown/black to crystal white and silver gray pearl, as well as mahogany brown and macchiato beige. There are additional interior trim choices too, including glossy brown linden wood and manufacture piano lacquer flowing lines. Previously, the latter was only available on the extra expensive Maybach model. The GLS lineup gets new steering wheels with touch controls on the spokes. The mid-cycle refresh also brings the latest version of the Mercedes MBUX infotainment system, featuring new display designs. The AMG has some unique layouts. Each trim also has some newly standard features. For example, every GLS 63 now comes with automatic high beams, heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a performance exhaust. Power up. While the AMG and Maybach models don't receive any powertrain changes, the GLS 450 and GLS 580 do. The former sees output rise from 362 to 375 horsepower, and the latter sees an increase from 483 to 510 ponies. The AMG has revisions to its air suspension and its anti-roll system, with Mercedes saying a software update and other tweaks are intended to increase the gap between comfortable and sporty dynamics. The GLS 580 can now be equipped with the off-road engineering package. This kit brings underbody protection and a revised air suspension, which can raise the ride an additional 1.2 inches for better ground clearance. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLS class will reach US dealerships sometime later this year. While we don't yet have pricing details, we expect the entry-level GLS 450 to start around $85,000 and the AMG GLS 63 and Maybach GLS 600 to start around $150,000 and $175,000, respectively. Do not forget to subscribe for more video.